Naborly is a property management software that claims to simplify the tenant screening and management process. But is it really the best option for you? In this video, we'll walk you through 12 things you need to know before buying, so you can make an informed decision. First up, Naborly offers tenant screening with a focus on financial security, but compared to other platforms like Tenant Cloud, it lacks some of the customization and screening that other services provide. While Naborly pulls credit scores and rental history, some competitors let you dive deeper into income verification or offer more options to tailor the screening process to your needs. Next thing to consider is the interface. Naborly's platform is pretty straightforward, but some users find it slightly cluttered. It's not as clean and modern as what you might find with other tools like Rentec Direct, which prioritizes an intuitive, user-friendly design that makes it easy for landlords to get things done fast. The third thing is the cost. Naborly offers competitive pricing for basic features, but if you want to access all its premium services, like advanced screening or integrations, the price can jump quite a bit. Other platforms like Cozy or Avail tend to have more affordable pricing models with free or low-cost plans that still cover essential features. Fourth, Naborly doesn't offer a fully integrated payment system. You'll still need a third-party service for online payments, which adds extra fees. On the other hand, platforms like Buildium and Appfolio offer integrated payment systems that make managing rent collection much easier. Next up is the reporting features. Naborly does provide basic reporting, but when compared to competitors like Rentec Direct, it's relatively limited. Rentec Direct offers robust financial reports that can help you analyze the financial health of your properties in much more detail. The sixth thing is the level of customer support. Naborly's support team is responsive, but some users report longer response times during peak hours. With competitors like Tenant Cloud, you get 24/7 support and more comprehensive online resources like knowledge bases and video tutorials. Next thing is the mobile app. Naborly's app works, but it's not as fully featured as apps from competitors like Appfolio. The Appfolio app lets you access more features like maintenance requests and accounting tools, all while keeping the user experience smooth and seamless. The eighth thing is the marketing tools. Naborly doesn't have as much in terms of marketing automation for landlords to fill vacancies quickly. On the other hand, platforms like Zillow Rental Manager and Tenant Cloud allow you to automatically syndicate your listings to multiple platforms and track leads. Now let's talk about integrations. Naborly integrates with a few popular tools, but when compared to competitors like Appfolio or Buildium, the number of integrations is relatively low. If you need to connect to accounting software or other platforms, you may find Naborly limiting. The 10th thing to know is that Naborly doesn't have as many advanced features as some of the other property management software. For example, Buildium offers more extensive tools for property management, including work order management, tenant communication, and accounting features, all in one platform. Another important point is the user reviews. While Naborly gets positive feedback for its screening service, some users feel it's lacking in some areas like payment management and the mobile experience. In contrast, other platforms, such as Rentec Direct and Appfolio, consistently receive higher ratings for overall functionality. The 12th and final thing to consider is security. Naborly has solid security measures in place, but it doesn't offer the same level of encryption and data protection as some of the more premium platforms like Appfolio. If security is a top priority, you might want to consider other solutions. Overall, Naborly is a good option for landlords who are looking for a focused, easy-to-use tenant screening platform. However, if you want a more comprehensive solution with additional features, better integrations, and lower costs, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.